These are the 5 most common phrases that are absolutely killing your confidence, and you're probably using them every day if you don't analyze what comes out of your mouth. At least I was in the past. I never thought about what was really coming out of my mouth, what were the phrases and the words I was using. And no wonder I sounded unconfident and that people interrupted me and no one respected me. No wonder I didn't have any friends. I can't blame the rest of the world when I was speaking this way. And after this video, I don't want you to use these phrases ever again. Do you have a deal? Because these are robbing you from your success. Comment down below if these sounds familiar. I don't know if this makes sense, but these are just my 2 cents. Sorry, I might be wrong, but hopefully that answers your question. I kind of think that maybe don't talk this way. No one respects a person who's talking in this very unsure way. Like, when you talk with these sort of phrases and words and combination of these, you are essentially saying that nothing I say should be taken seriously. And I'm asking permission. I'm asking you permission to say something. How can you expect anyone to respect you or want to listen to you if you talk like this? And I think in today's world, this is a much bigger problem than you might think. I think 95% of people, they speak this way. They ask permission of people because we are so afraid in today's world to just take a stance and speak our mind. Say what we actually think. Everyone is so scared of what will other people say. Oh, what if I get cancelled? What if people get upset with me? What if I get some angry comments? What if that one person named Tom, what if he thinks I'm a jerk because I'm assertive and I'm confident? But if you want to succeed in life, you want to do anything impactful, you want to have good relationships, you want to make more money, you want to be confident in anything you do, you have to stop using phrases like these. Or something like, does that make sense? If you say, does that make sense after anything you say, no one will respect you. No wonder. And I'm not sitting on a high horse, on a pedestal, telling you, you shouldn't do this. This is the reason you are unsuccessful. This is the reason why you're broke, why you don't have any good friends, why your relationship sucks. Because I was in the same boat. Before I analyzed how I speak, and before I transcribed some of my videos and actually listened to what were the words coming out of my mouth, I spoke in the exact same way. And most people do. But that's why most people suck. Most people are not living very good lives. The average life is not very good. And I understand where this comes from. You know, we want to sound polite. We want to not hurt anyone's feelings. But they scream doubt. When you speak this way, it screams that you don't really trust what you're saying. And if you don't really respect or trust in your own words, no one else will. So here's what to do instead. Start speaking with confidence and confident sentences. Replace your weak openers with direct statements. Instead of saying, I might be wrong, say, here's what I think. And it's okay. Sometimes you're wrong. Everyone is. But don't cut yourself short. Don't sell yourself short by just sounding like you're asking for permission. And own your ideas. If you have an idea about something, there's something you believe in, drop the maybe. Drop the does that make sense? All these little words, they just take away from your confidence. And no one will believe you when you speak like this. Even if you're right, no one will believe you. And this is why learning how to communicate is the superpower in today's world. Because most people suck. Most people are absolute dog shit at communicating. So if you can just learn this one skill, you can learn how to speak in a confident way, your life, every area of your life will improve in massive ways. I hope you found this golden nugget valuable. And please, for the love of God, go out there and take some action. Record yourself and listen to the way you speak. and become more self-aware in conversations. What is the language you're using? What are the words? What are the phrases you most often use? And start making small improvements day to day. And you will notice very quickly how people start respecting you more. People don't interrupt you, and you will gain that confidence. And you will be able to have that success in relationship, in business, in your career that you really deserve. You can subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Content that is actionable, that will help your life. This is not some fluff, dopamine type of content. This is the real stuff. I give you the golden nuggets here for a reason. Alright, I've been yapping way too long now. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.